Welcome back, and in today's video we will see classes and objects. So as we know that C++ is an object-oriented programming language, so everything in C++ is associated with classes and objects. And these classes consist of attributes, and the attributes are basically like variables and functions. And we call these attributes as class members. And second thing is that these classes have access specifiers which are public, private, and protected. It is like categorizing the type of class members in different forms. The public means the members can be accessible from outside the class, and private specifier are it categorizes the members which cannot be accessed from outside the class, and the protected are the members cannot be accessed from outside the class. However, they can be accessed in inherited classes. In today's video, we will see the example of the private and the public, and we will practice it. So let's get it started, and I'll just create a new file here. I'll name it classes example3.cpp hash include using namespace std int main return 0. So let's see how we write a class. So we'll write class. For example, here I am taking the example of any class name student, and then I'll use this bracket, and the class ends with a semicolon at last. Okay, then here we can use access specifiers like private. Then we have inside private we have int, for example, int marks and int rank. Then we have public members. Inside it I'll write int, for example, roll number, and we can also take int string, sorry. Let's write another string, and we'll name this string as group. And we can also use the function, member function. Let's create any function, for example, total marks. I'll write void total marks, and I'll pass a parameter here, which is an argument, and I'll use this marks here. In fact, I'll not use marks, I'll make any other different um, like int additional marks. So what we can do, we can either just write down the whole function here inside this, or we can declare it here. This function, we can declare it here and define it outside. So like this. But there is one catch here. So since we are defining it outside, we have to write the name of the class with this sign, with this symbol. This symbol is known as scope resolution operator. So in this way, we don't have to write the name of the class again and again inside this function whenever we are using any attribute. So let's write the function and see. Um, let's write marks is equal to marks plus additional marks, and then we will print it cout total marks obtained is marks. Endl. Let's make it a little more clear. Okay, so now um, let's create an object and see how we can access these members, these variables and functions. So in the main program, we'll write the name of the class student. Suppose I am writing my name. Then how I can access this? These variables, I'll just write my name dot roll number, and I'll just put the roll number. For example, my roll number is 25, and then I will put one string, which is the group, my group name. I will write a string here. My group name is Blue House. Then I will call this function total marks. Fazil dot total marks, and I will put some value inside like 75. Now you see I have accessed all these three members from outside the class. But what if I want to access marks and ranks? How can I do that? So to access this, if I just simply write here Fazil dot marks, Fazil dot rank maybe, sorry, rank is equal to 2. So it shows me some error. It says it is inaccessible. So we cannot access it. I'll write here in the comments. This will show an error since rank is not accessible. So what we'll do to change the value for the rank, we just simply go here and we will access rank from here, from this function, which is the part of the class. It's a member function. So rank is equal to 2, suppose. So this is how I access the rank and also the marks. Now let us just print it. I will copy cout. Let's print three things here. That is the roll number. Roll number is Fazil dot roll number, roll num. And then we have group is Fazil dot group. Then we have total marks. We have already written this total marks here, so we don't need to write it. I'll delete this line. And now what I will do, I will just run it and see. So here it is showing total marks obtained is 75, roll number is 25, group is Blue House. So the first print came from this function when I called it here, and I had written 75 in additional marks, which means marks plus 75. Here the marks value is not written. I should have written here marks is equal to, for example, um, 20, okay, additional marks. And let's see again what would be the output. So now you can see marks obtained is 95, roll number is 25, group is Blue House. Okay, so this is how you access the members of the class, and this is how you create the objects, and this is how you make a class. Okay, and I also showed you how to um, use the member function, how we can declare it and define it. Okay, so in the next video, we will see some more topics. So please subscribe to this channel and share the videos, and let's practice. Let us keep practicing and grow our knowledge. Okay, see you in the next video.